Yeah.
Are you serious?
We have an hour and 19 minutes.
Bro, really? Because we got a fucking package in here that I've been waiting for since like last year. Doesn't matter. Let's dive right into it.
See, first edition right there.
Not exposed.
Should got first edition right there, bro. Should put it on there with Sharpie.
I don't want to say first edition because I don't know if it is a first edition or not, but it's one of the first ones, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about right now. All right, so as we open the box, there's some styrofoam. Oh, it just dives straight into it.
Should I just show them or what? I'm staring at you right now, bro.
All right, I'm gonna give you guys a hint. Boom.
Can't see.
You know where we get good parts from, bro? The homies at MAPerformance. That's where we get some good parts. You ready for it? I don't think they're ready. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm Pickle Rick!
Boom! That's just a nice intake, bro. Put that on the side. Oh, let's start with the good stuff right here. Just
some good pipe.
Just a good pipe, guys.
Oh, damn.
Damn.
What the? Is that real, bro?
Look at that. Just a big pipe. Obviously, where the sensor goes. Should be a pretty easy install, bro.
I mean, we did the Mishimoto one.
Yeah, the Mishimoto one's like 50 parts. This one's just like a good pipe.
Couplers.
Your rubber couplers. Your was that for the intake?
Yeah, no.
Damn, I'm just gonna suck some good air in there.
Ooh, can we do?
This looks like an extension.
Probably for the sensor, no?
Yeah, for the sensor. Okay, okay. Can't forget your little clamps. Oh. Damn.
Hella big.
Yeah, talk about a big intake, bro. Check that out. Green filter, made in the USA. Moving on.
Oh, it comes with decals
Oh,
too.
it comes with little green filter decals.
Bro, that reminds me of KN, bro. I think that's a knockoff.
Oh, look, the lines, huh? Oh, exposed.
Nah, low-key, these O'Reilly's, bro. Not AutoZone.
Hey, bro, don't say that. Is that the AMTR green, bro? I don't know.
Oh, anyways.
Oh, we're not done? A little heat shield?
What?
Okay, I see you guys.
Bro, they hit everything?
I don't know, that looks like that's it. But the story behind this, they usually have these intakes for the 2015 through the 2017 model, but I guess the 2018 model comes with like a bracket that gets in the way, so they had to like remake the pipe for the 2018 model, and this is like one of the first ones. So for you 2018 guys out there, got you guys beat. I don't know by how much, but I was able to get this early, and that's because they asked me to kind of like beta test for them. So they just want me to send them like some data logs on the access port, just to, you know, just so they can make sure that their tune is working properly with the intake. So that's what we're gonna do. You know, they hooked me up, gotta hook them up, my boys. And let's just say this is just the first actual performance part. I mean, I already had the Mishimoto intake, but I took it off because I didn't have a tune. But this comes with the tune pretty much, so this one's staying on there, boys. Let's just go on the install, bro. All right, guys, first things first, you gotta take off the clips to the little air duct here, just to make it easier. All right, 2 clips and it pops right out. Boom. That's where all the air gets sucked in, just like that. Okay, start here first. Let's see, moving on. Take off. Airflow sensor. And then Then we take the whole box off, bro. That's how we do it. So we do it around here.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Alright, first things first, we're gonna take that 10 mil off, and then we're gonna take these off. Boom, boom, boom. And then we're gonna have to go under the car and take off the whole under tray. That way we can access the rest of the intake piping. But cue the time lapse, bro. Future me, cue the time lapse. Alright, we are under the car. Now to remove the rest of the piping, we just gotta unscrew. Alright, we just gotta unscrew this clamp right here, and this should just pop right off. And then there is a clip, or like a little hanger thing right here, and you take that off and that'll loosen the rest of it, and you should be able to pull the whole thing straight out through the top. So I'm gonna take this one and loosen the clamp off, and then we'll try to wiggle it out. Hey, Lucas.
Lucas,
Hey, kiss.
look.
That's what she said.
This fucking guy.
All right, now that we have everything loosened up, we're gonna try to wiggle it out. So hopefully we can take it out in one piece. Here goes nothing. Boom. There's the stock intake. Gonna get rid of all this.
Garbage? Not garbage. That's recyclable. Fun fact.
Eco-friendly.
Oh, okay. Go green. It's for this hybrid model.
Alright, so before we do anything else, we have to kind of assemble the intake right here. So obviously this like thing right here, like scoop and whatever it goes, it just boom, just pop it in there. And then tool. Just tighten this bad boy down. Boom, there we go. First piece done. Second thing, rubber coupler. Rubber, yeah, rubber, you know, you gotta stay safe. Put that rubber on there.
It's fucking good.
There we go. Now we get one of our clamps. I think they're all pretty much the same size, so just choose one.
Choose wisely.
Choose wisely.
You like Dustin, bro? Or you like Dustin? Yeah.
Who do you watch the most?
Out of all of them?
Yeah.
Us. Tiana. Tiana, bro. Yeah, right. He was a 1,000.
Oh, the 1,000 subscriber special.
You already know.
My
Bro,
boy.
I was in there, bro. Legit, I was in there, bro.
All right, bro. Come on, let's not forget the MAP sensor. Gotta make sure, put it on to the new one. We'll get that tightened down right now, and we'll get to installing it.
Been doubts, bro?
I don't know, we're gonna see if it fits.
If it fits a shit,
Sensor
so we'll
on.
flood rate.
Here we go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oh. 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 Just gonna let it. And then we're gonna go tighten everything through the bottom. All right, we got everything tightened down here, and then get this little nut, get my little nut, and tying it to the little clip right there, and we should be pretty good down here. And then we'll go ahead and put the heat shield back. All right, since the sensor is a little lower, they provide you with a little extension for it. So just make sure you plug that in. All right, and once that's plugged in on there and everything is tightened, you should be pretty good intake wise. But then we still got, boom, heat shield that came with it. And for this, it's pretty much gonna go right there. So you're gonna use that bolt right there, and then the one down there, and then the bolt down here. Take those off, put the heat shield on, and then that should keep it in place. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, everything is pretty much installed already. I even got the air scoop installed. That way it gets some fresh air, not just engine air. And then got the heat shield installed. You can see where it's tightened at. And then we already put, or Jose put the whatever at the bottom. And now what we gotta do is lower the car, go ahead and load on the map that they sent me, and then should be good, boys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Should be good. Alright, so pretty much gonna show you guys how to load a tune onto the cobb access port. Got everything hooked up to the laptop. First of all, you gotta download the access manager. You can get it from cobb. That way you have all this good stuff. And then you hook it up to your laptop through the USB port. And then it pretty much, you might have to update it since if you get a brand new one, so it'll go through that, it'll update the whole system. And then once you do that, you go to manage, and it's going to show you all the maps that are loaded on there already. So it already comes with most of these, well, all of those practically, except for the ones I've already gotten from MAPerformance. So all I have to do is you download your map onto your laptop, and then you search for it. And then once you find it, all you do is click on it. Oh, there you go. And then yes. So you click the one on the right side. And then we click this one. And then we uploaded it onto here. So this is what you have on the device. And that's the one we wanted to use. This is the 2018 WRX Stage 1 plus intake. 91 octane. And since I have the pre-release ones, it's the beta. So that's pretty much all you have to do. And then once you upload your maps, you just hit eject. Boom, good to go. Unplug everything.
Is that just a... See, so I complain about all the trucks here?
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. We had finally the first performance mod, well, kind of the same performance mod for the WRX, but this time it's staying on there for sure now that it has a tune. So shout out again to MAPerformance for hooking it up. They sent me a intake, like pre-release kind of thing, so I'm gonna send them their data logs. So shout out to them. And then well, technically that's the first install of phase 2 for my car, and many more to come.
Don't sleep on it.
Don't sleep on it. And then somebody's got some parts in the mail, some saucy parts in the mail. But yeah, well, you guys will check it out. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and always keep improving.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just Do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it! If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.